At dahil nga today is World Mental Health Day, gusto kong i-share sa inyo na alam mo ba, ang pagda-diamond painting is that just not a simple hobby. It's good for senior kasi it promotes your mental, physical, emotional, and even spiritual. Kasi lalo na pag ganyang mga ang ginagawa mong diamond painting. Kasi nga, because each color corresponds to a particular code at iba-iba siyang color. Minsan nawawala na nga yung mga lalagyan niya, nawawala ang code. So you really have to remember ano yung specific color niya. Also, this requires patience kasi kailangan talaga matyaga ka. But once start mo siya, parang ayaw mo na siyang bitawan. It improves your memory kasi minsan finishing ka na, nawala na yung mga color, so you have to remember ano yung code na yon and that particular color of that corresponding. So mga ka-senior, mag-enjoy kayo with diamond painting. So, fulfilling na pag natapos, it improves pa your memory. So, ano pa hinihintay ka, senior? Let's go do and start a new hobby. Diamond painting. Let's go!